The furnace is on, the heater is on, but there's no fan. There's no air coming out. The fan works. If we turn on the fan does work very nicely. So the blower is not bad, but something is wrong with the heater. So turn the heater to off position. This is off. Okay, so this is Payne high efficiency, built in 1979. The fan's not on, the gas is not on, so we're going to try to troubleshoot this. So first we need to remove this. This is the switch right here, but we turn off the thermostat to off. So now we push it in, it doesn't do anything. Remove this. So if you look here, there's 3 ports for the gas to go in, and inside there'll be an igniter. And if you look here, there's a sensor here, a sensor here, the main sensor there, a sensor there also. So 3 sensors. But if we read here, it said we can check and see if the main board is working. So before we do anything, make sure the main board is working by using the test that they show there. Okay, so right here there's a switch, the 2 switch that we need to short. So I'm going to short this, and then I'm going to push the button here to turn it on. And we want to make sure, you see that? The igniter is on, that means it's working. That's good. With just no gas coming out. So it goes to the test every 10 seconds. You turn on the fan. So the fan is working. Turn off the fan. It can blow a high, it can blow a low, and then they turn the cells off. So that means the main board is working. Igniter is working. The only thing is now the gas is not on. Okay, so before we check all of the wiring in the furnace. So the furnace is number 16. So this is number 16. So we're going to turn this one to off. And then we're going to check it. So with all these sensors here, all we need to do is to unplug one of the side, and then we can measure. They should have 0 ohm, which is shorted. If it's open, then we need to replace them. So now it's open. We're going to connect these probe into the 2 terminal of the switch, and then it should go to 0. So that means the switch is good. Check all of them. Just pull one side out and then measure them. So after checking all 3 of these, and it's still actually all 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's still not running. So this one right here is a diaphragm to turn it. If the fan is on, it will have a suction. So in the back here, they have the little tube. So I remove this one and suck on the tube. Suck and blow. These two terminals here, and you can hear it's click. And when it's clicked, it should be shorted. So make sure the suction either blow or suck, it will short the two terminals. That means the diaphragm is working. Now, all the switches are good, but still not on. Then later I found out that behind the fan there's another switch. Now this is a switch that got tripped. So we measure it and it's open, and then we push the reset. So the button in the middle. So what we do is we use a small screwdriver. So we use a small screwdriver and push it in and reset it. And then it's shorted. Even if it's shorted already, I still push it in for a few times to make sure that it's reset. Okay? Okay, when we're done checking, we're going to turn it on. Now we can turn the heater on and go out and check. So before we turn it on, make sure the gas line is open. This switch turn to on. This is the gas line going here. So a lot of people said that this flame sensor here, so this flame sensor, I don't think it's gonna actually stop it from turning it on. It will cause the fan to go on even the heater is off, is because it's detected that the flame is still there. But I replaced it anyway, so. Okay. Plug this one back in. So make sure all the sensors are plugged in, okay, after we tested them. So now let's press this button here. This fan must be on. If this fan for this hose for the vent is not on, then it won't. So let's check. I don't see anything. Yeah, the igniter is on. That's good. Whoa! Now it's working. Is that beautiful? Okay, it's done.